Q3, Pythagorean inequality theorem. So in Q2, we determined if a squared plus b squared does equal c squared, then you have a right triangle. Well, if you know that you have a triangle, and you know the three sides, but a squared plus b squared does not equal c squared, then you can still determine what kind of triangle you have, whether it be acute, right, or obtuse. Okay? And the way that you're going to do that, you're going to a squared plus b squared every single time. You're going to a squared plus b squared every single time. Then you're going to c square. And then you're going to compare both sides. If a squared plus b squared is bigger than c squared, then the triangle is acute, which means all three angles are smaller than 90 degrees. If a squared plus b squared does equal c squared, then you know you have a right triangle, hence the Pythagorean theorem. And if a squared plus b squared is smaller than c squared, then you have an obtuse triangle. Okay, so that means that the c was bigger, way bigger than a squared plus b squared, so it had to open wide to be able for the c to fit. Okay, so that's what that's meaning whenever we're going through that. I don't know where the rest of my thing is. Alright, go to video 2, I guess, because I don't, hold on. Okay, I had to fix that real quick. So these questions weren't on it, but luckily they were easy to type up. So the sides of a triangle have lengths 3, 5, and 7. What kind of triangle is it? Just be sure that your largest side is always your C, or your possible C. So 3 squared and 5 squared, we're going to add those together, and then we're going to get C squared. 9 plus 25 is 34. 7 squared is 49. If 34 is smaller than 49, then it is obtuse, because that's what this says right here. Okay? 6 squared plus 8 squared, then we're going to do 10 squared. This gets to be 100, this is 100, so they're equal, so it's a right triangle. Wonder what this one's going to be, huh? 10 squared plus 16 squared and 17 squared. 100 plus 256. Yeah. 256 is 356. 289, I think. Yeah. 289. 356 is bigger than 289, so these are acute. That's it.